Milk plastic is a type of experiment which uses casein to make eco-friendly plastic. Casein is a protein which is often found in milk, so we can probably easily do this experiment too at home. Right, so to do this we need milk and vinegar and water. We need to heat up the milk and then put a bit of vinegar in there to get curds, or the casein protein. This is known as curdling. We can then strain it, and alas, we can put in the casein water. This is so that the protein has been already unfolded from the acid. Finally, we'll have our plastic ready to mould using a 3D printed mould. So I have the bottle of vinegar right here and a glass of milk. I'm gonna now pour a generous amount of vinegar into the cup of milk, around 2 tablespoons, and stir that around. Now you can already see some of the curds forming, so we now need to strain it. I'm going to use a sieve over a plastic tub, and we can just see how much curds we got through that. So just shake it around a little bit. And what we're seeing right now in these curds is a casein protein which has been unfolded. So the next step, we need to add water, and the water helps to neutralize the vinegar. So we can just add more, and this should help in making the mold. Now we can pour some of it into the mold, but we need to first really dry it well. Now I'm going to do this by pressing it in 2 pieces of foil. Now you can do this with tissue paper, but I had foil around, and just putting it into the mold carefully, making sure it covers every little spot, just like so, and flattening it out and making sure all that moisture has been gone. It took me 2 attempts to make sure that it was really dry. So, lastly, now the mold has been finished, so in a few hours to a few days, it will have dried, and I'm gonna use a fan to dry it because it's just quicker. So here is the mold a few hours later. It doesn't look nice. I mean, it's sliced in half, it's broken, but in reality, it kinda worked. So it was a success. If you enjoyed, do like and subscribe and comment a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.